Okay, so right here I have a purse. This is my grandma's purse. I managed to sneak into her room and take out her purse.
Unlike any other lipstick that any girl uses, is that this one is gonna be pranked. And I'm gonna get my mom with this particular one because my mom has had this coming for a long time.
Here's the noisemaker from the party popper. And here's the tampon. It looks like a giant size noisemaker, right? What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. Now, you already read the title of this video, right? Yes, for this video, we're gonna be picking on girls. But if you're a girl, please don't give this video a thumbs down just yet. You guys can pull out these pranks on anybody, but we're mainly picking on girls because these are girl accessories that we're gonna be using basically. So, mainly it's for females. But if you're a female, you can prank another female. Why not? If you're a guy, you can easily get another girl with these pranks. Whether it's your mom, your sister, your grandma, or maybe even your girlfriend if you want to go there and be single.
So like Nex said a little while ago, I hope that you girls don't get offended by this video. We will get the dudes later. Maybe we'll make another video for them.
Oh no, it's coming.
So there it is, guys. Nex has just revealed it to you guys that we will be doing a pranks for boys or pranks for guys or pranks for men. Whatever you choose. So I guess we're going to do another one for that. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, this is just the female version, guys. So please do not get offended, please. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. So before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with all the bell notifications turned on. That way you guys don't miss out on future videos. Let's get these pranks going. Give this video a big thumbs up. 1,000 likes are appreciated. Check it out. Here's a prank you guys can probably do on a sister. Now me, I'm not too familiar with tampons. I mean, I'm a guy. I shouldn't really know about these things. But I did go to the store and bought some of these for this demonstration. So if you have anybody at home that uses tampons, then here's a little prank you guys can play on them. We're going to take one and carefully we're going to open it so we can try to close it up later on. We don't want them to know that we've tampered with it. So look, I was able to open it and I'm going to pull it out. This one has two little tubes, two little cylinders. It's got the tampon inside and it's got the pull string in there. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna give them a little scare. We're gonna startle them right before they use this. And for that we have a party popper. And for this party popper, all we need is the actual noisemaker that's inside. So we're gonna take that out just like that. All right, now we can work with it. So basically, this is just the noisemaker and then there's a string to it. Just like this. Huh, what a coincidence, right? So we're gonna pull out the smaller tube first. We're gonna push the tampon a little bit in. Now this tampon will never be used, guys, because it'll be stuck in there. So nobody will be able to use it. Nobody will get hurt. Just know this, safety first. And to make sure that it stays put, I'm gonna apply some hot glue. So this tampon's not going anywhere, and I like that the hot glue is clear so it doesn't really erase any suspicions. This string right here, we're gonna cut off. We don't need it. This is the string that's attached to the tampon because it's gonna be replaced. Now, before we continue, guys, I just wanna show you the similarities here. Here's the noisemaker from the party popper, and here's the tampon. It looks like a giant size noisemaker, right? This will not make any noise though. So anyway, now that the glue has dried, we're gonna take this noisemaker, we're gonna apply some glue on the tip. Just on the tip, guys. And we're gonna stick it inside the tampon, right inside this little cylinder right here. And then if we need to, we'll add more glue. We're gonna let this dry, guys, and basically at this point the prank is set. Once it dries, guys, put the thinner cylinder in there just as it was before, and we're gonna put it back into the little packaging that it came in and try to make it look normal, guys. Maybe seal off the end with a little bit of glue, and that's it. Like I said, you guys can do this on anybody that lives with you, a female of course. Put this back where it goes. And when she goes for it, she's gonna be in for a loud surprise. Just watch. So she'll open it, take it out of the wrapper, and look, it looks normal. It has a string, it has 2 little tubes in there, and the tampon is there. Now the tampon is supposed to push out, but it's stuck. What's wrong with this tampon? Why is it stuck? So since it won't come out this way, your sister or whoever you're pulling this prank on is probably gonna pull it this way, in this direction, and then this will happen. Oh! They won't see it coming, guys. Who would have thought that you could booby trap a tampon? Only Nextraker could.
Alright guys, so for this one, what I have here is, yeah, you guessed it, a lipstick, guys. Let me pop that top and show you. Look at that. It's your normal lipstick, just like any woman uses. But the difference with this lipstick, unlike any other lipstick that any girl uses, is that this one is gonna be pranked. And I'm gonna get my mom with this particular one because my mom has had this coming for a long time. Every time I'm playing Fortnite, she comes in and tells me to do the dishes, and I don't want to do those dishes, so I think she deserves this. So, with that being said, guys, I'll put the lipstick aside, and what you guys want to get is some chili peppers like I have here. Look at that, guys. These are really, really spicy. Right, Nex?
Oh, yeah, man.
So what you guys want to do with this, I have them in a little bowl and I'm going to crush them to get the little oils out of them. And that little oil is very, very spicy. It's so potent. So I'm just going to smash these guys into little pieces. Just like that there, as you guys can see. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but it's kind of a little bit wet because I've been smashing the heck out of it, guys. So I think we're good with that. Next, guys, once you got that oil there, that's the spice. You want to take a Q-tip just like I have here, guys. Now this Q-tip, you want to dip it in there and get all that oil on it. You guys can see it's really, it's on there good, pretty good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'll get a lot
spicy.
more. Yeah, I'll get a lot more. This is well deserved. Once you guys have done that, guys, you want to push that aside, pop your lipstick open just like this. Then you guys want to smear it all over the top where they would usually use it first, right?
So you're saying that spiciness is gonna be on their lips?
It's gonna burn the heck out of their lips. It's a good little prank, I think. For all my dudes out there that don't like doing dishes, or maybe don't like doing laundry, or maybe taking out the trash. Set that up real good.
Oh, it doesn't even look like you tampered with it
Yeah,
at all.
it does not at all. Just close that back up. Pop the top. And there you guys go. A perfect little prank to get maybe your mom, or you guys get creative, and whoever you guys want to prank with this, as long as it's a girl, it probably will work. They're going to be screaming for their life once their lips start burning with this, guys. And you're going to start laughing. It's going to be you're going to have a blast.
Have your phones ready for that reaction, guys.
Priceless.
Here's a classic Nextraker prank. I would do this on a female friend or whoever really uses a brush. It's mainly girls, but I know some guys brush their hair. What I do is I usually just wake up and that's it. I think a lot of us guys do that. But I know girls have to take their time doing their hair. So if they have a brush like this, we're going to set up a classic Nextraker prank. Notice that this brush has openings on the bottom, the side, and on the top, and on the end, but not the sides. So that is perfect. We're going to seal off those openings, and for that I'll be using clear tape. I'll just place my piece of tape right there. So we're gonna avoid any leaks and any excess tape, guys. Of course, we will have to get rid of. And again, I'm gonna do this on this end as well. So I'm gonna place some tape on this end. And then once the tape is on there, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim off the excess tape. Okay, so we blocked off all the openings except the top ones. So the bottom is closed, the end is closed, there's none on the sides, and the top is exposed, just like I said. So that's where this bottle of Diet Coke comes in handy. Now you guys can use regular Coke, which is sticky. I'm gonna use Diet Coke so it's non-stick. There's no sugar to this, so they say. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna pour some in there. So if you're gonna do this prank, guys, make sure to match the color of the brush. Good thing I'm using a black brush here. Alright, so I filled up the brush with Diet Coke. You can't really tell that there's anything in there from afar. So, when your victim, let's say it's one of your friends that happens to be a girl, or maybe your sister, your mom, your grandma, your girlfriend, anybody, guys, tries to use this brush, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna lift it up. So even when they lift it up, guys, at this point, there's no leaking. But as soon as they flip it over, look. Whoa. So this would have ended up on their head, on their hair.
It's a cool little prank, huh, guys?
It's one of my favorite booby traps. I've done it in the past and it totally works, guys. So I highly recommend you guys try it out.
Alright, guys. If you guys have a girlfriend and you guys have been looking to prank her because maybe she hasn't been acting the coolest girlfriend, right? And a lot of us can relate to that. I, for one, am definitely going to use this on my girlfriend. And so basically, guys, all you guys want to do is, you don't have to buy a big teddy bear like this guy, Mr. Teddy here. You guys can get a little one, and a little one will probably be a lot more convenient. But for this one, it's a lot easier because he's so big that it makes this prank a lot easy. So basically, guys, what you guys are going to need for this prank is, like I said, is a teddy bear. And also fart bags just like this, guys. What you guys want to do is just cut his hand wide open from the side, preferably. So it makes it a lot easier and you guys can't really tell that there's a cut there. You probably want to cut at the stitching, guys, because it's the easiest way to go. They're not going to be able to tell that you actually cut it open and placed a fart bag in there, right? So then you just take a blade, and these blades are really sharp, guys. So I wouldn't recommend using these guys unless you know how to use them. But anyways, let's continue. You just want to cut them, guys, from the side of his paw, just like I'm going to do here. Once you guys have your cut, just like that, guys, if you guys can see there, it's a little slit on the side. Just take your fart bag, stuff it right in there, just like this. Put it preferably right in the center of the hand, guys. And I'll tell you why in a second. Next, guys, you want to take the stapler to stitch them back up where you cut. Just like that. Now you can't even tell that there's a cut there, right, guys?
You fixed them right up.
Yeah. And I also implanted them with the deadly stink bomb ready to go. Now you guys may be asking, how is this guy going to set off this stink bomb all by himself? Well, he's not going to, guys. Your girlfriend is the one that's going to set this one off. Now, when she gets this guy, she's going to be thrilled. She's going to be like, oh my God, a big teddy. But in reality, this teddy is going to be her worst nightmare. And he's going to show you guys exactly what he means by that. Next, guys, what you guys want to do is cut a strip of paper just like I have here. You want to write press me for surprise, or just even press me will work. It'll do, but I like press me for surprise because she will press it either way. But if she sees press me for surprise, it's gonna be like, oh man, maybe I'll get something if I press this, right? So all you guys got to do is just write that down on this sheet of paper. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Wrap it around his paw just like that. Now when she comes and he's sitting right there, maybe in her doorstep or on her bed, she's going to pick it up and she's going to be like, wait, there's a message here. And it's going to read, press me for surprise. And when she sees it, she's going to grab it and be like, wait, there's a little button in here. And when she pushes it, guys, boom! She's going to get the smell of her life.
Hey, she might end up breaking up with you.
Yeah, she probably end up breaking up with you and maybe throwing this guy in the garbage. But I'm going to get a good laugh at it. And I'm sure this guy, as soon as he sees her, he's going to get a good laugh at it too. So there you guys go. Have fun with that.
Okay, so right here I have a purse. This is my grandma's purse. I managed to sneak into her room and take out her purse. Now, I'm not going to steal anything from there because that's bad, guys. Please don't steal. But you guys can put something in there. Now, let me open up this bag. Here she has her wallet. It's just a little wallet that's gonna come in handy for this. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. When nobody's looking, when your grandma's at church, or if she's somewhere else and she didn't take this bag today, here's how you booby trap it. You open it up, then you're gonna take a balloon. Inside, we're gonna put some liquid ass. So you know it's gonna smell. And the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna open it up. Feel bad for grandma. I have a little dropper here, which I'm gonna extract some liquid ass. Whoa, that's a lot. So I just got a lot of it, guys. And you're gonna put this inside a balloon, but make sure that it doesn't touch the tip because you're gonna put your lips on it and you don't wanna taste this liquid ass. I've opened it and now I'm gonna stick it in there. Oh yeah, it smells.
Guys, this thing smells like the dump of death.
Yeah. Oh, I wish my nose would filter out that smell. Now I'm gonna blow this up. Let's see if I can do it through the mask. Nope. All right, this size will do. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh.
Careful where you aim that thing next.
That's what I'm saying. Poor grandma. So, once you tie this on, we're gonna stick it inside the bag. Not all the way just yet, because we're still not done booby trapping it. This safety pin right here is gonna be our best friend for setting up this prank. We're gonna open it, and while opened, we're gonna stick it on top of the balloon. And for that, we'll be using tape. So barely just on the tip, just barely stick that on there, guys. Simple enough, I would say. Next, we're gonna take a piece of floss. One end, we're gonna tie to the safety pin. Now, the other end of the piece of floss is gonna be tied to this little wallet right here. So make sure it's tied on really tight. Now the balloon, I'm gonna tape on to the bottom of this bag. So let's push the balloon inside now. All right, and I'm gonna use a piece of tape to stick it on the bag so it stays put. And then I'm gonna take this wallet and place it on top of the balloon so nobody will see it, guys. Let's zip it up. And the prank is set. So now grandma's gonna come over to her bag. Maybe she needs that little wallet because she has some loose change in there. She's gonna open it up. She's gonna grab her little wallet and it's gonna be kind of stuck. So she's gonna tug on it. And then that happens. Smell that.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh man.
Woo!
That liquid ass. The stench of the liquid ass will fill the room, guys.
Oh, God.
Poor grandma. Hopefully, by her age, her nose isn't working as well, so she probably won't suffer through this a lot. As you guys just witnessed, these pranks are very, very mean. They're very evil. So you guys gotta be careful on who you get. Now, these pranks are easily done on females. But I'm sure you guys can get a guy or two with these pranks. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you gave it a big thumbs up. Also, guys, don't forget that I do have an Xbox One giveaway, and that giveaway ends December 1st. So please click on the link below for more information if you guys want to enter. You guys don't really have to do much but leave a comment in a designated video that I have.
Hey, Next, what about me? Can I win that Xbox?
Sure, man, anybody can. No matter where you're at, guys, no matter your age, no matter who you are, if you guys leave me an awesome comment and I like your comment, it's got to be a face reveal comment, then you might actually win that giveaway, which is an Xbox One. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for being loyal fans. I'll see you pranksters in the next video. Once the hole's big enough, we're gonna push the pencil through the end with the eraser first. Just barely, guys. So it should be very, very snug. Now inside, we'll fill it up with water. A big spill occurs. So it's a mess of oats that they definitely don't want to clean up. It's so annoying. You wouldn't want to fall for this prank. But maybe you can get your mom with this.